How to replace 10 marketing tools with GoHighLevel. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about something that's probably costing you hundreds and thousands of dollars every month without you even realizing it. And that is how you have multiple different marketing tools. So your marketing tech stack, all those different tools that you're paying for, logging into separately, trying to get them to talk to each other. It's a mess, and I know because I've been there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replace 10 different marketing tools with just one platform called GoHighLevel. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, then make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below. Now, let's jump right in. Now, the first tool that you're going to be replacing with GoHighLevel is going to be your CRM, because no longer do you need an entire CRM like HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce to manage your contacts and your deal. You can easily use GoHighLevel, and I'm not saying that these CRM tools are bad. I'm just saying that you're able to simplify your subscriptions and use a unanimous platform that provides all-in-one marketing tools like GoHighLevel. So within this, you get contact management, deal pipelines, custom fields, tags, and the ability to track every single interaction you've ever had with a lead or customer. And here's what I love about it. Because everything is inside GoHighLevel, your CRM is actually going to know everything, because it knows when someone opened your email. It knows when someone clicked on a link on your website. It knows when someone has an appointment or bought your product. You don't have to set up those integrations or pay for third-party connectors. It's all present natively within GoHighLevel. Now, the second tool that you're going to be replacing using GoHighLevel is actually going to be email marketing. And this is something a lot of people don't even realize that they are able to do with GoHighLevel. So gone are the days when you're going to have to pay hundreds of dollars just to send out emails. Maybe you're using MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo. There are a bunch of different free to paid plans on these platforms, but when you start scaling up on any email marketing platform, it's going to start becoming expensive. So inside GoHighLevel, you have a complete email marketing system. You can build beautiful emails with their drag and drop builder, segment your favorite lists, and you can tag behaviors. You can set up automations that rival anything that you would create in ActiveCampaign. The difference is that you're not paying for each individual subscriber that you have. You're just paying for your flat GoHighLevel fee. Email marketing is included within that fee, and because it's connected to your CRM, your funnels, your appointment calendar, everything, you can trigger emails based on real actions that people take from your business, not just email opens and clicks. So that's it for tool number 2. Tool number 3 is something very much related to marketing, and that is SMS marketing, because AI tools are now replacing everything, and even SMS marketing is now available on GoHighLevel. So whenever you're trying to set up marketing and you're like, hey, this particular recipient is not very interested in marketing with the help of phone, with the help of emails, maybe you want to reach out to them via their phone number. And if you have their phone number, that's probably going to be a huge way that you can reach out. So SMS marketing can also be done directly on GoHighLevel. And you also can connect to a Twilio account on the back end. So you're paying Twilio's rates for actual messages, but the platform itself, the automations, the two-way connections, bulk campaigns, all of that is included in GoHighLevel. So you can have full text conversations with leads right on the GoHighLevel platform. And here's the thing, you can combine email and SMS marketing in the same automation workflow. So maybe someone gets an email, and if they don't open it within 24 hours, they automatically get a text. That's the kind of multi-channel follow-up that is incredibly powerful. Now, moving on to number 3, your funnel builder. Now, this is where GoHighLevel truly does shine, because when you're trying to automate and build a funnel, this is the tool for you, because ClickFunnels is a very big name out there, and it's been around for years and it works pretty well, but it's not an all-in-one platform. GoHighLevel allows you to create your own customized funnels. You can build landing pages, opt-in pages, as well as sales pages, order forms, upsells, and much, much more. And because it's all connected, when someone opts in on your landing page, they can automatically be added to your CRM, tagged appropriately, and more. Now, feature number 5 is our website builder, because no longer are you gonna have to wait for another Wix or Shopify platform and subscribe to that to build websites. Instead, simply go into sites under GoHighLevel and you can build websites and stores directly from GoHighLevel. So you're able to easily create websites, and if you have a simple business, a blog, then GoHighLevel is perfect for that. For a lot of small businesses, they're paying for Squarespace or Wix, and they're paying $20 to $40 per month, which can end up costing you more in the long run because then you're paying for email marketing, you're paying for other integrations. So instead, you can just pay for GoHighLevel, you can host your site, connect your domain, and have everything in one place. And that is 5 tools consolidated into one. Now, feature number 6 is appointment booking. So if you go into calendars over here, you have a calendar view and an appointment view list, and you can set up different types of appointments using GoHighLevel. Their built-in calendar system can allow you to create different team members or services, and you can set up the availability for each member or service. You can add buffer times in between appointments, send automatic email reminders, SMS reminders, and when someone books, their information goes directly into your CRM. So you can trigger automations based on bookings. Maybe you send a confirmation email, a reminder text, a follow-up sequence, all of this automated in one place. Feature number 7 is their form builder. So now I don't need to go into a third-party platform to build an amazing form. Instead, I can go into GoHighLevel, browse their templates, and utilize them right away. So setting up your own surveys and forms has become very easy. Everything is built in, and you can embed them on your website or even in your funnels. And every submission is directly captured with full context into your CRM. You can use all the basic conditional logic, multiple question types, and design them to match your brand. For surveys, you can collect feedback and even trigger different automations based on how someone responds. If someone gives you a 5-star rating, maybe they get a request to leave a Google review, or if they give a low rating, maybe they get a follow-up from your support team. This is the kind of powerful logic that is included in forms. Next up, you have reputation management, and this is something a lot of businesses are going to overlook. So they have a reputation management module, and you can view what kind of reputation you have, what kind of reviews you're getting across multiple services. And you also have feature 9, which is course or membership platforms. Think of it like Kajabi or Thinkific. You're able to sell your own courses, and you're able to do it in a very sequential manner like you normally would with any other course builder. That is the power of GoHighLevel. And lastly, it is an all-in-one automation and marketing platform. So everything can be automated and your workflows can be as complicated or as simple as you want. They have several different templates available for anyone to get started with. So think of GoHighLevel as your complete tool. And this is an amazing platform. It's powerful in a lot of different areas, and it provides you with a comprehensive business management tool like no other. So if you are a small to mid-sized business, an agency, consultant, or service provider, and you're paying for multiple tools that kind of sort of work together, you owe it to yourself to try out GoHighLevel. And you can get a free trial of GoHighLevel by clicking on the link provided in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what feature of GoHighLevel you're excited to try.